Hello friends, welcome back again. In today's session, we will learn how to put text on top of an image, or in other words, how to position text over an image. So, if we have an image just like a banner on the web page, and if we want to put some text over that image, so what is the CSS for that and how we are going to achieve this? So, that's what we are going to learn today. So, I will just open the code here. What I have done is I have added an image in our HTML document. I will just run it in the browser. So currently we have an background image for a div tag. So red highlighted is the div tag and this is the image within this div tag. So if we want some text here, say for example on the top left corner or maybe bottom left corner, then how we are going to put that text within this image. So firstly we will do one thing, we will add a text here. So firstly I have taken a header here and I have applied the class of header, and I have just added the image, basic tags, basic styles. So I will add some text here, say for example here I will add a div, and here I want some text in top left corner. I will save, I will just run it once. It is displaying already in top left corner. I will add another text here. I want it top right corner. I will save. I will run. See, this is coming here now. Right? These are the basic sequence of a div. I will add couple of more here. Say for example I want it in bottom left, and I want it in bottom right. I will save, I will again run it. So this is how it is currently displaying. So we will move this text around now with the help of CSS. I will add a new style here. Top left, this is one. Class name can be anything. For demonstration purpose we are giving this class names. I have created here 4 classes. I will apply this. I'm applying these classes. Currently I haven't written any CSS style for it. I have just created the class and I'm applying it to the div. I will save this thing. So first step is to add the position as a relative for the image, where the image is. Currently our image is on the header, so this is our relative tag, and within this relative tag we have this tags. So we will make this one relative, the other one we will give it position absolute. So first step is to give the position relative to the parent element, and then within that these child elements we have to give the position absolute. Then we use the property called as top. Here we want is 0. Then on the left we want also on 0, because we want it on the top left. Then next one is top right. Here we want it on the right side, so top right, top will be 0, right will be 0. I will just save it once and run it again here. See now, we are given the style to the top right corner. Text has been moved to the top right corner here. Top is 0, right is also 0. All the other text are currently we haven't given any style to the bottom one. We will give it right now. For the bottom left, we'll give it as, instead of top, bottom 0, and left also we want it in the bottom left. In a similar way for the right, bottom 0 and right 0. We'll save. I will again refresh the page. See now all the corners, the text is displayed in all 4 corners based on the style that we have given. This is how we can move the text around that image. The image will have the position relative, the child elements will have the position absolute. This is the first property. Then the second is our position where we want it. Currently, if we can see, this is in the top left corner. If I want to shift it a little bit below and little bit away from left hand side, then I will increase the pixels here. Say for example, I will give firstly top 20 pixel. We are giving this to the top left. Top left means the first one. This first one we have changed it to 20 pixel. I will refresh the page. See, we are given 20 pixel. From top it has shifted to 20 pixels. Similarly, if we want to shift to the more to the right, then we have to increase the left here. We have to give some here. For example, if we give 20 pixel and I have saved it. See, it is now 20 pixel from left. Top 20 pixel, left 20 pixel. And same applies to any other this text. For example, top right, if I give 20 pixels here, so this is for the top right. Top right is class is for this one, top right corner, so it will be applied to the top right, top 20 pixel. See this one, it has moved to 20 pixel below. So this is how we can change the position based on top, left, right, bottom. This we can provide some values here. The text is going to move based on the values. Again, we are given 20 pixel to the right, so it has shifted 20 pixels from the right. So this is how we can just give text over the image. This is an image. An image can be anything. I have just, for demonstration purpose, I have used a GIF here. So image can be a full size image also, that will cover all the portion of the div. Then above that image, if we want some text here, we can use the same method which I have explained currently. Firstly, our main image tag should have the position relative. This is important. Then the inner text. So inner text might be 4. We have used here 4 text elements. It can be 1 also, based on the scenario of the web page. But the style is going to remain the same. After using the position relative, we have to use the position absolute for the inner element, and then we have to decide where we want to show it. So based on top left these properties, we provide values, and based on the values the text is going to move within that position relative parent div. So this is what we have learned today, how to put text on top of an image, or in other words, how to position text over an image. Hope you have understood and grasped the concept. Thank you for watching.